pick up my car. I never actually told you guys what happened with my car. I'll probably do that once I get back in my car, but long story short, I should have gotten my key taken care of a long time ago. But yeah, I'm on my way, so I'll talk to you guys soon.
And it still would be working if it wasn't for the fact for minor repairs. Once I paid this off readily available, I'm not paying the notes for an SUV.
I got my car back, bitches! I got it! Yes, bitches! Chocolate vanilla swirl with cookie crunch, please! Okay, so, I guess I can give you guys a story time on what happened. Okay, so a little story time on what the freak happened with my car. So when I went out that night, I got home, but my key is like broken, right? So, let me show you. So my key, oh, well, I guess it's like in here. So my key is like broken, right? So it was like this and this, like it's like two pieces. You guys see I really love Coach. Like I have Coach stuff everywhere. So, and then this. So this little metal piece right here fell into the little lever part where you like pull your brake or whatever. So long story short, it just fell in there and I could not get the shit out, and I ended up having to get my car towed and then literally rip my car apart to make me a new key. Hey, but now I have two keys and I'm probably gonna go get another spare. So yeah, on to the next thing. I think I'm gonna go get gas and probably go back home because I was working on something. So yeah. And sorry I haven't vlogged much this week, so that's another thing. Hey Plastics, so I am going.
Who did you lose?
Me. Yeah, I did my hair.
That's good.
Oh, thank you. Hey Plastics. So we are going into the Sam courthouse to get all of this filled out and given to these people. And hopefully we can get out of here quickly, because I have other things to do today. So yeah, have a good day. So I don't really think I'm going to be much on the phone while I'm in there, and it's really windy outside, as you guys can see. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, by the way, this is my outfit. I'll show you guys later. Yeah.
Third floor and 20.
Complete. We just put in our motion. So I'm really happy about that. And now we're going to TJ Maxx, and we're gonna go return this because I have a little story, y'all. So I ended up finding the same necklace at another TJ Maxx for like $50 less. So you know I bought it, and then I'm gonna go return the more expensive one. Period. But it's the same necklace, and it's the same store that sells it. It's crazy. You guys, make sure you always go look for a good bargain, because one thing about me, I'm gonna get it, but I'm gonna get it at a good price. So I'll catch you guys when I get there. Bye. This wind is crazy. I gotta get to my car. Okay, I gotta get to my car. This wind is insane, y'all. I don't know what's going on in there. Can I even get down from here? Oh, I can't. Oh my God, I went the wrong way. My hair is gonna be all messed up. Oh my God, I'm so glad I got a brush. I cannot believe this is happening. Oh my God. Okay. Of course, now the train wants to come. I can't cross the street. Oh, that's horrible. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Because the rain is gonna come and catch me. Oh, I'm gonna go through this. Maybe I'll just take the elevator. Because I'm not taking all them stairs. Whew. That's a lot of stairs. Does the elevator work? Okay, it does. Okay, it's here. Hopefully it just opens up for me. And we make this trip easy. Come on, open up for me. Oh my God, the rain is coming. It's raining now. Okay, we have to just go over, and we gotta run to our car. Hi, Plastics. So we're back in the car. My steering wheel looks so dirty. Like, why? It doesn't look like that on the front, but it looks like that on the back. I don't get it. I need to get out of here. Hi guys, so I'm back in my car and it is raining like crazy outside, but I have to get to, where am I going? I'm going to TJ Maxx, right, that's right. So TJ Maxx, so when I get there I'll show y'all because I'm really hungry and I don't know what I want to eat. Something. Hi Plastics, we just got to TJ Maxx. We're about to go return this thing, but hopefully there's nothing that grabs my eye and I just end up getting a store credit, to be honest. Because I wouldn't mind a store credit. Let's see what they have first. These are pretty. Roberto coin. They have little like rings. $1.99. Oh, it's only $1.99, y'all. This one's $1.99. I like this one with the toggle. Hi, how are you? I'm sorry? Did you want to say something? Yes. This one here. For sure, that guy. Super cute.
This one?
That one, yes ma'am.
This one?
No, not that one. I already have that one.
This one?
That's cute. Okay. Oh, they also have these, the little ones with the little amethyst in it. That's cute. Okay, now the next thing is, I spoke with your manager earlier, but I think, first of all, I like this case and everything. This is so like grand. I love that. There you go. So I think I want to try that one on, but then. So here.
Jonathan, that's the one?
It's great because he said 11 to 1 he'll go, and it's a little bit after 1 now.
Yeah, it's 10 to 2.
Yeah. So. I don't actually put it on because he has all that. It's actually really cute. Do we like it, guys? Do we like it when we're not leaning forward? Actually, kind of like it. I actually kind of like it. It is pretty. think I might have to do it. Hey, Plastics. So we here at the liquor store.
They didn't have deli on, so.
They didn't have the deli. So we got that. Yeah. They might have it, girl.
They don't.
You asked them?
Yeah. I asked them before I even went in and looked for anything.
Okay, y'all. Talk to y'all later.
You think I should change this to my heels? Like, these are just not giving.
Hi. Okay, so we back out here. We waiting for Candace to pull up with the car. Waiting on Candace to pull up with the car. But other than that, we need to get us some light. I did my hair differently, no baby hairs, you know the vibe.
Why was it waiting? What the hell is this white Toyota? You're about to go eat, so I don't even know why you're doing that.
Because. Yeah.
I feel like I want to do my treat now. What's your favorite? Hey, man. She right there. She right here.
Bye, y'all. Wait, where's she at? Oh. I hope this is her. Oh, okay. Period.
It's a magnificent.
Hi, Candace. We back in the car. Candace just came and got us. We finna find a parking spot and we finna go to Kapow. Kapow!
We just got this together.
Hi, Plastics. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but like, we're out to dinner. We went to this place called, Kapow. It's really cute. It's like this Asian place. So, we're gonna get some food, child, and, yeah. So basically that's it. Okay, y'all, so Candace got, what'd you get, Candace?
I got Wagyu hot stickers.
Period. And then Tati, what'd you get?
I got pork hot stickers.
Pork hot stickers. And then I got some wings, so we about to eat this up and then we'll get back on here. Hi, Plastics. So we just finished with dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah, literally, yeah. So yeah, we finished with dinner and we in the car
This
now.
don't like to be in a fishbowl because I got him in. Hey.
Oh, we met.
Bitch look like ice spice, she eat real much.
Bad bitches, see we like you wanna fuck with them. That's why you wanna fuck with them. Bad bitches, you wanna fuck with them.
Okay, come on, Tati. Let's go. We getting out the car.
Son, I got 99 rounds, but a bitch ain't one. Make sure my cast is closed. Red credits, just celebrate the
Turn me up, got a fur on the table, got me burning up. Touchdown in airway sense, got a put on the team, got a great difference.
Hi guys. Hi Plastics. I don't know what was going on, but bitch, I'm too motherfucking litty.
And it's colder than a titty.
Okay, yeah, no shade. Okay, so. Hi, guys. Okay, let's get across the street. Cut the screen. Okay. So, long story short, we're about to get to our car. We're going home. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye. Say bye, guys.
He did.
He did, but he.
Like he said.
You can, huh?
This guy said the door's open.
That's weird because I ain't go out.
Are the doors closed and locked? No doors open.
All right. We're off home, guys. Bye. Hi, Plastics. So we just got back home. We're a little bit like a little messed up, so we gonna make this quick. All right. So you know, this is us. Whatever we got home, we home safe. Love you guys. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. I think the next thing that we're gonna do is probably your brunch. I might do some stuff tomorrow for content, but I might not record a vlog tomorrow. But the next thing is
gonna vlog.
her brunch. So you'll see her probably in like 2 seconds. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Whew. Hi, Plastics. So I know I ended my night already, but I kind of wanted to end it in some good light because what's bad light? Ignore my lips, but yeah. So I made it home safely. All the girls are home. Whatever the case may be. Tonight was a good night. We got a free bottle of Casamigos. We got a free bottle of Casamigos. My mouth looks like so like ew. But anyways, we got a free bottle of Casamigos, y'all. We'll probably talk about it more, but I'm about to take off all these clothes and lay down and go to sleep. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hey, Plastics, it's the next day. So, today I believe is like January 10th, 11th, something. I don't know. Today's a new day. I'm going out to go get Tati a gift. And, you know, I already actually got her something, but I don't know if, you know, that's what I want to give her, if she's even going to like it. So I'm going to try to run that back and find something else. And if not, that's it. You know, I have. But yeah, I just came over here to do an outfit of the day. So today I just wore this denim trench coat, with this leather trench coat that I thrifted. And I paired it with this cross-shoulder Coach bag. Forever 21 jumpsuit. Doc Martens, and this Gucci necklace, and my Bolova watch, and this bracelet. So we're off to the stores. Let's do it. Let's go see what we can buy. All right, y'all. So we just arrived to my new favorite place. Of course. And I'm just gonna see what they have. And we can go. I just feel like I have makeup on. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Let's see. It's $20. Super cute. I think I want one of these. Oh, they have the bracelet. Look, they have the bracelets as well. Hi, Plastics. So I'm in here. I think I just found what I want to do for Tati. It's gonna be this little bracelet here. Super cute, right?
Jesse Johnson is off the chain. Cute.
It's super, super cute. This I like.
I like this one.
I like this one too, but I want them all to be the same size.
I think they're bless y'all.
Oh, jewelry is so tricky.
I know.
It's only $30. I don't know if I want it to be graduated or if I don't.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, no, 100%. It is pretty though. Oh, she's pretty, pretty, pretty. If you guys here, take me out on a hot date.
Go out, treat yourself.
Treat myself?
Exactly.
Oh, goodness. Okay, I might do that. I might.
So these basically are the same one.
Yeah, but I want to try that one on.
You want to try that one too?
I want to see if I even like graduated opposed to no. Yeah.
Get these, and then go somewhere
This
like
is
a fancy restaurant. You can even go by yourself.
I mean, I'm going out tomorrow with my friend. Actually, when I give her the gift, so I'll take myself out then. But tonight, I just went out last night, so I'm like,
you're gonna rest tonight.
Out.
Uh-oh.
I really don't want to sign up for a card.
You get the 10%
This is so
off.
pretty though. I don't know which one I like more. Okay, I'm gonna call my mom real quick. Hold on.
All right, my dears. Enjoy.
Alrighty, thank you.
You're welcome.
You know they're calling me to the register. Okay, we've secured the bag. We're on our way home to edit up the rest of this vlog. Let's go. It's freezing. But yeah. Bye guys. Oh, it smells great out here. Hi Plastics, I am back home. Ooh, my hair looks a little crazy on the side. I'm gonna put some hair over there. Let's cover that up. Okay, so okay, we're just gonna ignore it then. So I'm back home. Okay, so I'm back home and I'm about to just probably chill for the night, edit up some of this vlog, and I might record my closet video because I've been supposed to record that for a while, but I don't know because I don't have any makeup on. And I would need to do my other video first. For my 2023 makeup routine. So I may do that tomorrow as a get ready with me. And do this one as well. So we'll see. We'll see. Talk to you guys soon. Hi Plastics, good morning. I am up plucking a wig for my girl. So you're gonna see her like after I get her ready and glam. Because it's her birthday brunch today. So it's going to
Fuck going on? Fuck going on?
She don't want to be on the camera, but she wants y'all to know that she here. Okay, period. We'll talk to y'all later.
As bad as it seems, I literally did not have shoes.
Hi Plastics. So we are on our way to Tati's birthday brunch, and we're flying to Miami. So we will catch you guys when we get there.
But we're driving safe.
The glam. Quick little 20-minute base. And then this is Tati. Glam, 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 glam. Hair and makeup by me. Hey y'all, so we are running through the streets of Miami, honey, trying to get there. But we doing good. No stress, no mess. And it's your birthday, you gotta pull up Fashion Week like go to class.